came in the middle. Okay. Yeah, we're probably live now. So I don't know where we got cut off, but finally got done with this piece. This is, in my definition, it is humans in different sizes and shapes being held by chain link pieces of their own stories and their own inherent problems that they think are stopping them in all these chain links. And if you see, a few of them are interconnected, a few of them just stop nowhere, and people think that they are all tied down, but I have actually painted a few of these in like a really light, beautiful beetle pink color. So that is your weak link, and you can break free of whatever you think you're tied by. So that is me, and I also very childishly signed my name. So this is that. But also, here is this. Oh, I really like it. It's actually I like the balance of how colorful it is there.
And yet you don't know what these colors will be when they wash up.
Oh yeah.
Because this is cherry pink, this is green. It's going to become light once you wash it. It's looking black right now because green has this iron and yellow, so it's oxidizing. But it'll turn green. This is yellow and this is pink. So this is flowers blooming. It represents love and I think positivity. And this is me. Touch me not.
Oh, nice.
And this is Arun, who is who has this water. Though I'm a water sign, he's a fire sign. But we've both got some green in our thing, and there's something very similar between us. Like our core is same.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, like
nice.
that.
Oh, okay. So there is that similar thing. Nice. I like that similar idea that's happening.
And I'm quite a touch me not.
It's called Mimosa pudica.
Mimosa, yeah.
Mimosa pudica. Let's see what our in-house artist.
I didn't show you this part, which is cigarette. So both of us like to smoke once in a while, and I won't say that when, but we both like this. Isn't it grey? Black gray, no? So cigarette is something, it's just a link between us also. So this is a pink cigarette, and I'm just going to draw some thing.
Guys, it might look orange, but we wait for it to get washed and show you the magic of colors.
Yeah.
Oh, nice touch.
Yeah.
Nice touch.
I'm going to complete the cigarette. Maybe brand it as well.
Here.
Yeah, you can go.
Do you want to write something on it?
Yeah, I'm finding a fine brush to do it.
Oh, okay.
If you want me to come back.
Here.
I have a very fine
brand your cigarette. Oh, our artist has joined the hands with the wine. So tell us.
I was mostly going for how interrelated we are with the nature.
Nice.
And really we stem out of it. And I was planning to go for more parts that's growing out from it.
Mm-hmm.
But I kind of wanted to also show that how we might show that the flowers have the colors and the rich organic part to it, but as soon as we stem out of it, we also take that part from it. So isliye in this specifically the roles are reversed, so the humans hold the color and it's been drained out of
nature,
completely out of nature.
Okay,
so that was something that I wanted.
Okay, nice. Awesome. Oh, we have the branding happening.
I can barely move my brush in here, but I'm trying to write Benson and Hedges. Also, what I want to show you is that for the lack of finding the palette, I just use my hands, and then I just remembered that I'm feeling okay because it's natural color.
Yeah.
If I would be feeling like, okay, I don't want to put that on my skin.
Yeah.
But this is fine. So
yeah.
whatever is safe for me is safe for nature. We are nature.
Yeah.
So
That's an excellent point. Yeah, because I used to paint with a lot of acrylics